Hi everybody. This is not a normal thing for me to do. I usually have Agnes with me and we do our camping stuff and stuff like that. But I just wanted to come across the video I saw about Kid Rock and Anheuser-Busch and Bud Light. I want to defend him due to the fact that he was only crushing Bud Light, not the whole Anheuser-Busch corporation or anything like that, because they've got 100 different beers and stuff out there. He was only after Bud Light, not the rest of Anheuser-Busch, not the Budweiser, not the Bud whatever, or what I drink. This is what I drink. All right, that's the Select. You don't find it anywhere unless you actually ask for it, which is what I really had to do. But I'm going to defend him. Okay, he's right. Okay, you can bash him all you want, but I'm going to stand behind him, because this LBTQABC, I don't know, XYZ, whatever they are trying to do, they're trying to take over and say everything is okay when it isn't. So I'm going to defend him. Okay, Bobby, kudos to you, buddy. Kudos. All right, I appreciate you, man, and I understand. Okay, so, but everybody else doesn't understand. Okay, the thing is, all right, Bobby owns a nightclub, restaurant, whatever it is, but I'm sure he's going to take Bud Light off the shelf, but not the rest of the Anheuser-Busch products. He just said, F you, Anheuser-Busch, for doing what they did. He's not bashing really Anheuser-Busch, okay? He's just saying that what they did for Bud Light. He's not bashing the whole Anheuser-Busch corporation. And everybody needs to understand that. All right, you understand? And that's all I got to say about that. Kudos to you, Bobby. We love you.